Christmas is next week, and I got you some easy and creative greeting card ideas to gift it to your loved ones. And handmade greeting cards and gifts are so special, so let's begin. For the first idea, take a card, then you'll need a square shaped packaging paper and stick it on the card. Now take a paper thread or a ribbon and stick it on the packaging paper like so. And also stick a bow on the top. Next, take a small piece of paper and write your message or the name of the receiver and stick it on the thread like a gift label. Decorate the card as you like. I'm not good at lettering, which is very evident, so ignore that. This is how the gift box greeting card turned out. For the second idea, take a card and a circle-shaped cardstock. Then you'll need some washi tapes. Start by sticking the washies on the circle card like so. Now cut the excess and stick it on the card. Then glue down a string on the top and also a bow right above the washi tape circle. Decorate the card as you like. I used a golden paint marker. That's it. Cute Christmas tree ornament card is ready. Moving to the third idea, take a red and white color paper or cardstock. Start by drawing a Christmas sock on the red color paper and cut it. Then stick a white color rectangle paper on top of the sock. Next, cut a tag which is slightly smaller than the size of the sock and attach a paper thread or ribbon on the tag. Apply glue on the sides of the paper sock, just leaving the top so that it becomes a pocket. Decorate the card and write down your wishes and messages on the card and also on the tag. Then tuck in the tag inside the sock. This is the finished look of the pocket sock Christmas card. Moving to the next idea, you will need a green color paper. Draw an isosceles triangle like this and cut it. Next, fold a small portion on the bottom of the triangle. Apply glue on that portion and stick it on the card. Now draw Christmas tree's trunk and decorate it. Write your message on the card like so. And this is how the Christmas tree flip down card looks like. Make sure to check out my other videos on DIYs and junk journaling. More videos are coming up, so stay tuned and a very Merry Christmas to you all. Bye.